Turning to your COVID headlines, cases continue to spike just 2 days out from Christmas and ahead of those big holiday gatherings. In Mecklenburg County, 10% of COVID tests are now coming back positive. That according to the new 7-day average. That level represents substantial community spread. We know testing is a vital part of knowing just how much COVID is spreading in the community. Over the past week or so, demand has also skyrocketed. Officials say it's because of that increased spread of COVID and people are testing before traveling or gathering for the holidays. WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner live at StarMed's testing and vaccine clinic on Tuckasegee Road. Chloe, what's the line like today?
Hey Fred, another busy day here at StarMed. Take a look here behind me. This is the end of the line. So these people have been waiting for a while just to go and actually get tested. It loops all through the parking lot again today. Some people obviously didn't want to deal with these lines, and that's why we've seen the at-home tests fly off the shelves. But those do present one challenge. The results are not reported to health officials. COVID testing clinics have been overrun as Omicron begins to overtake Delta and people plan to spend the holidays together.
That's a critical part of the solution as well, is to know what your status is and to not expose other people if you're infected.
Finding an at-home test has become a challenge. In the last month or so, Mecklenburg County gave out more than 10,000 free test kits and completely ran out on Wednesday. But once someone picks up a rapid test, they don't necessarily have to report their results to anyone.
We don't necessarily need all of that information reported to us. I think what's important is guidance for providers on if someone were to come in with a positive at-home COVID test, that they can use that to either begin a course of treatment or whatever steps that they need to make in place. What's most important about the at-home test is that it immediately gives you information on how best to protect yourself and others.
The challenge, health leaders don't have a full picture of exactly what's happening in the community.
If we look at the positivity rate of the tests that are being reported, we can assume the same positivity rate in those others. So we know that the number of people who have been infected is higher. And you know, we can't quantify that, because we just don't have the data.
So even though these wait times are up because demand is so high, officials are stressing the importance of getting tested before you travel or gather for the holidays this weekend. And a reminder, this StarMed location will be open on Christmas Day. Live in Charlotte, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.